Introducing arrays, a fundamental data structure.
The arrays are a basic yet essential concept in programming. They are used to store a collection of values, such as numbers, strings, or objects, in a single variable. Each value, called an element, is stored at a specific position, making it easy to organize and process sets of related data efficiently.
How arrays work. Organization and access.
Arrays organize data in an ordered sequence, where each item has an index starting from 0. This means you can quickly access any element by referring to its position. For example, to get the third item in an array, you use its index, making arrays ideal for tasks that require fast, predictable data retrieval.
Types of arrays, one-dimensional and beyond.
One-dimensional arrays store a simple list of values. In contrast, multi-dimensional arrays, like matrices, arrange data in more complex ways, such as rows and columns. Different programming languages may use different names or structures for arrays, but the core concept remains the same: organized, indexed storage.
Common use cases for arrays.
Arrays are widely used in programming for tasks like storing lists of items, managing database records, sorting data, and handling repetitive calculations. They provide a straightforward way to group and manage data, making them crucial in applications ranging from gaming to data analysis and web development.
Why learn arrays first?
Understanding arrays is foundational for every programmer. Mastering arrays provides the basis for learning other data structures, working with algorithms, and solving everyday programming problems more efficiently. Arrays are the building blocks for managing and analyzing data in virtually any software project.